Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper. And friends, today I'm going to show you how you can flip image into your Photoshop. So friend, this is my Photoshop and here you can see this image. And right now I'm going to show you how you can flip this image vertically and horizontally. Then what you will do. So friend, here you can use the shortcut of your keyboard like Control T, so you can see these things. Okay, so first of all we need to unlock this layer. So here you can see this is my background and it is locked right now. So first of all you need to unlock this background. Then what you will do, simply open this layer and then double click over here and then click on this OK button, so your layer will automatically unlock. And now I'm going to show you how you can flip this image. So friend, use your keyboard shortcut like Control T. So you will see little box on the corner here like this. Okay, right now we want to flip this image. Then what we will do, simply right click on this image and here you can see bottom flip horizontal, and when you will click on this horizontal, then you can see this image is changed now. And here I'm going to show you again, click on this horizontal, so this image will come as it is. And now I'm going to show you how you can flip vertically. Then what you will do, simply right click over here and select this flip vertical. So friend, you can see this image is flipped vertically, and right now I'm going to again click here, so image is as it is. And here I'm going also showing you how you can rotate this image. Just simply over the mouse and you will see this icon is changing. When this two arrow is showing, then you can drag, click and hold it, then you can drag over here, so this image will rotate automatically. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial where I want to show you how you can flip and rotate the images into Photoshop. I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video, click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I am uploading this type of tutorials every week. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.